You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't
Hi, Max here. Today's video will be about my home run. That's basically a trail run and a climbing, scrambling run. I usually do once per week. It's a really cool one, which helps a lot for mountaineering, and I'll explain you something about it while I'm running. Right now I'm here at 1,200 meters. The summit will be at 2,020 meters. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe if you find the content helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus.
So, 200 work done. Now it's flat, and yeah, soon it's getting up steep. So, first part is done. 270 words, and now I'll go up there to the right. So, to get up there, we follow a deep grassy plank up there. There's a walkway up there. Still on the way up, good track here. Careful of snakes. There can be some, especially in the morning and the evening. And there are holes. Be careful. Don't step here, step here. Because there's a big hole. So, now we've got 520 work done. Start of the ridge. Can go left. It's a 3 for climbing. Right, where we go. 2 for climbing. All straight up. 4 to 5 for climbing. So that's really what for the rope. So let's put this poles away. Oh, first part of climbing. Now let's get a little bit more relaxed up here, and really grippy. Nice. Up there, we came from here. Nice climbing. Now we are on the ridge. Here we go. First step done. Root, boop. Now is the down climbing. Grade 2. Now there we are. Up there. And now here, or this way. I usually go this way. Carefully. Don't fall here. Up here. Into this nice little chimney here. Pretty easy. And wet today. Nice. And out there. Now follow the ridge. Walking terrain, easy. Here on the right, up to this rock, and swing. There's the knife over there. Towards the knife. It hooks much harder than this. A little bit down climbing here. Totally possible doing it forward like this. Still got one hand free for filming. And along the track. And now there's the knife. Easy walking. There's no wind like today. You just can walk like this. You also could sit down here and basically just walk around. Oh, that's the part 1. Good track. And part 2. Okay. Oh, I stuck. And now the knife. There we go. Good hold. It's nice. And another swing. Still solid. That's it. Now it's getting easier. Another slab up here. There we go. There. Now we're getting to the last foot. There. It's close. But it's not too hard. Up. Down here. Up. Summit of the Matterhorn, 59 minutes on the clock. Easy pace today, no stress, just a nice evening. There we have the Pilatus, Esel and normal, usual Pilatus, Domlichshorn, Witterfeld. Over there the Bernese Alps with the Eiger, die Mönch and the Jungfrau, and Schreckhorn, Lauter Ahorn, Finster Ahorn, and over there in the back is the Ruessiflue, Titlis. And yeah, pretty sweet panorama up here, and now it's just going down there. And yeah, this is like 840 word. Nice training. Total I will have like 1.5 hours for this, and yeah, I think this kind of training helps a lot for basically for mountaineering. You might say that's dangerous and you're crazy. No, I'm not, because I'm climbing kind of these mountains, and on these mountains it's probably the same or often easier terrain, and I want to have fun in the mountains. That's why I need to be safe, I need to be quick in this kind of terrain. That's for me very important, so that's why I'm doing that. I'm not crazy, I don't want to die, I swear. So let's go for the downhill. So now I'm back at the car. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Nice walk or hike and run, like 8k or 9k. And yeah, that's just my home run. That's my base training after work. And if you want to see more of this kind of content, like trail running, mountaineering, and for sure all the photography stuff and the videography stuff, techniques for the mountain, first aid, gear, so that's all gonna be here on this channel. And if you don't want to miss this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for doing that, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great evening.